So we know that T3 is equal to T2 into T1, T4 is equal to T3 into T2. Similarly, T5 is equal to T4 into T3 into T3. The question is asking what is the first term. Question is asking the value of T1. Statement 1 says that fifth term is greater than the third term by 15. So T5 is equal to T3 plus 15. T3 plus 15 is equal to T4 into T3. Of course, you have two variables, you have only one equation, not sufficient. Come to statement 2, this says the fourth term is 6. So this only says that T4 is 6, therefore nothing much can be said about T1 on the basis of this information, not sufficient. So now on combining, we know that T4 is 6, so T3 plus 15 is equal to 6 into T3. So now you know the value of T3 can be determined. If T3 is known, T4 would be determined. So we'll know the value of T3 and T4. If T3 and T4 are known, we will know the value of T4 is anyway given. So once T3 and T4 are known, we'll be able to find the value of T2. If T2 and T3 are known, then the value of T1 can be determined. You don't have to spend time in figuring that out. The point is that together this would work fine. Still, for the sake of completeness, let me explain how this works. On the GMAT, you should not spend time in finding out the value. So see, 5T3 is equal to 15. This means T3 is equal to 3. So we know T4 we know is 6. T3 we know is 3. 3 plus 15, 18. 18 is equal to 6 into T3. So that we just found out. T3 turns out to be 3. Now we know the value of T3 and T4. So we can find the value of T2 here. T4 is 6. So 6 is equal to T3 is 3. So T2 must be 2 now. We know the value of T3 is 3. We know the value of T2 is 2, and therefore T1 has to be 1.5. Again, it's only to explain you on the GMAT. Please don't spend time in finding out the value. The moment you got here, one equation, one variable, you knew that you'll be able to trace it back and find the value of T1. C is the right answer.